Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix ADP TotalSource login issues, employer access errors step by step clearly. If you are experiencing login issues with ADP TotalSource, follow these steps to resolve employer access errors. First, ensure you are entering the correct username and password. Check for any typos or extra spaces in the username or password fields. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate a password reset. Follow the prompts provided to receive a password reset link via email. Once you receive the email, click the link and create a new password. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies to eliminate any stored data that may be caused. After clearing your cache, restart your browser and attempt to log in. If you are still encountering problems, try using a different web browser. Ensure your browser is updated to the latest version for optimal compatibility. Disable any browser extensions or plugins that may interfere with the login process. Ensure your internet connection is stable and that there are no network issues. If you are using a corporate network, check with your IT department to see if there are any access restrictions in place. Try accessing ADP TotalSource from a different device to determine if the issue is device-specific. If you continue to face login issues, reach out to ADP TotalSource support for further assistance. Provide them with detailed information about the error messages you are receiving. Be prepared to verify your identity to expedite the support process. Follow any additional instructions provided by the support team to resolve your access issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.